Hello everyone, it's Justine, and today this video is going to start a little bit different because for whatever reason I lost the first 2-ish minutes of video and audio for this video. But just to let you know, this is an unboxing of the Friendship Floral collection that Spellbinders just released today, April 10th. And this video and the next one that I am posting on my channel, where I make things with this collection, is a collaboration with Melanie. She is wonderful. If you don't know who she is, you gotta check her out. I'm gonna have her channel linked in the description, and be sure to see her video to see what she makes with this collection. I know that she'll be making some beautiful things because that's what she does. And I hope that you find a new crafty friend in her and subscribe to her channel. Alright, let's get right into this unboxing and see all of the fun goodies from the Friendship Floral collection. As I was talking about Melanie, I was looking through these papers and so many of them have gold foiling on them, and I think that is just so beautiful, and it just adds a little bit of a finishing touch to these papers. This one is almost all foiling. I can't even believe it. Gorgeous. I love the color palette for this one. It's very like that rich green, the dark blue, fuchsia purple, or fuchsia pink, and then some of the softer pinks, purples, and oranges. They're just super pretty. So this paper pad has 40 sheets and it's 6x6. So this paper pad is 6x6 and it has 40 sheets, 10 designs, and it has 5 foil designs. I should have noticed that before, but I did not. So now I know there are 5 foil designs. Just beautiful. Okay, and then we have the chipboard frames. If you don't know what chipboard is, it's just a little bit thicker than, it's just a little bit thinner than a cardboard. You can see here it's about the width of, I don't even know, but it's not super thick, but it's definitely thick enough to hold up on a crafting project. And looks like there are 2 of each color, which is really nice, and they have different shapes, and some even have foiling on them, which is so cool. Okay, and then we have the butterflies, and they're very dimensional. I'll just pop them out of the packaging. Whoa, flying butterflies. So they are a sticker, so a dimensional sticker. So the back piece has the sticky part, and then where the body is where it's glued down, and then the 2 wings are automatically puffed up, which is perfect because they add all sorts of dimension to cards without adding a whole lot of bulk. You can see that that's quite a lot of dimension there, but they're just a very light sticker, so that's perfect for dimension. Then I think these are my favorite gems I've ever received from Spellbinders. These are so beautiful. I just feel like they're very like under the sea mermaidy, and I just love them. So pretty. I probably will have to buy an extra pack of these because they're so pretty. Looks like that one got away, but whatever. That's fine. I will just pop it on with some glue. Okay, now for the die cut shapes, I went ahead with my trays. If you know me, you know that I love using trays with die cuts. I just learned that a couple different card companies or craft companies have trays where they have this like rolling cart with trays, and I think that's really neat. But if you're balling on a budget like me, you can use some leftover cardboard or packaging and kind of have a similar result. So this is a look at all of the pieces that come in the sentiment die cuts. There's tons of them, and I especially love the ones that are like this, that have foiling on them, and they're a little bit larger because it kind of creates a focal point for the card. I love that. And I also really like these that have a frame that you can pop out, and then you can create a little scene with the frames. just kind of funky and a different shape than usual. So there's that. And I like this thank you repeated thing. I've noticed that style of having one or two words like that and having it be repeated in some kind of a rainbow order. I saw a teacher t-shirt that was like that, and I thought that was kind of cute. So I definitely think that's in style right now. Now let's look at the other die cut shapes. I used 2 boxes for that one as well. And this first one was my Santa Lane card kit box. This is the bottom. And this was a card kit of the month box as well. As you can see, it is full of floral pieces and all sorts of things to add to cards. I really loved this tree. I thought it was so cute. It kind of has like a Scandinavian feel to it, and that's really fun. I love that. And then there are 6 birds. So technically there's 12, since there's there's 2 designs of each image. And all of these are 2 designs of each one, which is really fun, especially for creating sister cards, which are cards that look the same, that have the same materials. I call them sister cards. Anyway, I am so excited to start making things with this collection and kind of being inspired by these items. I'm already looking forward to diving into them and designing some cards. So if you are interested, stick around on my channel and check out the video where I show what I make with these, and also check out Melanie's channel. I will link it in the description, and check out what she makes with this as well. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and if you're going to pick up this collection, let me know in the comments, or maybe you'll just pick up 1 or 2 pieces. Maybe these gemstones are calling to you, maybe the paper pad and the gemstones. Let me know. I'd love to hear your comments and your thoughts on this collection. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you get to craft soon. Bye!